great pleasure to meet you on APRU program.
This lecture is about the value design, and I think it is very necessary to understand the concept design in broadly sense. It is good to consider the design as a strategic intellectual activity that leads the problem-solving process beyond the aesthetic or formative works. This requires training to create new things by weaving various knowledge, and we have already practiced techne as a fundamental pattern of intellectual for a long time. I believe that the practice of techne will allow us to create value by performing design more naturally and creatively. I think this is process is just value design. So I think we can all agree that we are all designers.